Hi guys, Mick here from Revolution Training. Welcome back to another What to Eat Wednesday.
Good.
And today we'll be making banana oat cookies. Our ingredients, we've got 1 banana, you need a cup of oats, and you need 50 grams of cocoa powder. Step 1, you're going to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Step 2, you're going to mix all our ingredients together. Step 3, Step 3, we're going to make nice little cookie-sized droplets on the tray. Step 4, you're going to cook them for 20 to 25 minutes. Step 5, you take them out, let them cool, then enjoy. They're okay.
They taste good, but they have the consistency of
And that's our banana and oats and chocolate cookie. Thanks for watching and subscribe for next week. We're going to be making a banana, raspberry and vanilla smoothie.